So good morning to everyone and welcome to this 21st session on e-commerce and digital marketing. So today we are going to learn social media marketing. Okay, I'll share my PPT. Is my screen is visible? Let me know whether my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So if you look at this, so far there are two parts in this course. One is e-commerce and one is digital marketing. Okay. So in e-commerce we have developed some website and we have linked with some application like Google Analytics. Now then we have entered into digital marketing. In digital marketing, we have learned email marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization. Then what else we learned in digital marketing? What else we learned? Email marketing we learned using Mailchimp and search engine optimization and search engine marketing, Google Ads and other products of Google we have learned. So now we are shifting to social media marketing. Okay. So before that, you have midterm examination. I given one assignment. You already got that Google alert? Anything you got it from mail? See, I'll share it before that.
Yes, sir.
So please understand, you take any small company nearby, any small company or petty shop, small company or anything, you can take it, bakery or any small shop or FPO, any farmer product. What? Hello? So if you look at this, you take any small company and try to do as a consultant how to implement what is e-commerce website creation, app, and other digital promotions. Okay. So how to convert it to digital and how to whatever you learn how to implement, you just develop some report. Okay, that company should be real. Okay, or FPO should be real. Okay, is there any problem in this? Anything? Is it okay, right? That assignment is fine, right? Any problem?
We should type that in Google Word, sir. Word document.
The document should be Word. Yeah, the report should be in Word. But which company, who are interacted, what their problem? Okay, what are the so far? What are the things they are doing related to digital and e-commerce? So anything can check it. How to link with the for example, if they don't want e-commerce, how to link with the other companies like Swiggy or Zomato or some other companies. Okay, so you have to give some kind of strategies for that to small companies. Okay, try to match. You can use that case study content, Alibaba, how the Alibaba used different strategy. You can use that strategy to connect small business into bigger players. Okay, or if you don't want anything, then they can can create some e-commerce website and they can be a standalone company. If they don't want to create any digital marketing, anything, any other strategy you can recommend. But the company should be real. Take some FPO. I have to mention the contact detail also. Randomly, I'll check with the people also. So that is for 50 marks. You have to prepare at least 50 pages report. I need 1.5. Report should be minimum should be 15 pages. 1.5. So including all the process, everything. Is it fine? Any problem? Is there any clarification? Is it okay, right? The assignment is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay. So now today we will continue with this social media. Today and next class we'll complete the social media marketing. So particularly we are going to learn Facebook advertisement and 23rd and 24th session this Saturday you have a guest lecture. Okay. So next week also I have one session that is 24th session. So today this will be 21 and 22 and 23 will be guest lecture and 24th will be session will be my session. So the final session. So we try to complete the social media marketing with this two sessions. This is the content of social media marketing. First, we'll discuss what is social media marketing, why we have to do with respect to different statistics. We'll discuss. Then we'll see what is the benefit of social media marketing, what are the different types are there, and we'll go to hands-on session. I'll show my Facebook account how to advertise. Okay, assume that if you have a Facebook account, how to promote your e-commerce website through Facebook. Okay, similar to please understand. The digital marketing player, there are two major players. One is Google, another one is Facebook. Okay, so other players are there, but these are the two giants in the digital marketing. Okay, so this 5th, 6th, and 7th topic maybe we'll take it in the next class. Okay, we'll try to complete this 4 topic in this session. Okay, first we'll talk about what is social media marketing. Okay, its name itself is right, marketing through any social media, that is called social media marketing. So traditionally, if you look at this, if you want to create awareness about product, then normally they'll go to newspaper, yellow pages, billboards, television, fax ads, and all. It's a traditional or maybe 30-40 years back. Okay, so if you look at this, the reach will be very less. No, if you look at current world, we are into social media. Okay, so everybody, if you look at every app, every mobile phone, at least some of the apps definitely will be. Definitely, I have, except this, I don't know, Snapchat, this except this one, this two, I have Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Twitter also I have. Okay, so mostly you have apps of this social media. So if you want to promote anything, mostly they are compared to traditional. Then nowadays they are shifting to social media. So this is reaching very fast. Okay, just write down the definition or meaning of social media marketing. So social media marketing means increasing web traffic. So people bringing more people to your website, or engagement, spending more time on your website, brand awareness, other marketing goals. Okay, there are other marketing funnels will be there. So buying, signing, all these things, macro conversions. So all these things we are doing through in social media by creating a various format of content. Content mean video, pictures, or any kind of small content in the social media. Using this one in the social media, we're trying to attract more people or more customers to your website. That is called micro conversion, and macro conversion also they're trying to do it. Okay, so if you look at this compared to internet reach, the social media reach is very fast. Okay, so within fraction of a second, lot of people are using joining their new social medias. Okay, so this is how works. Okay, so this is all about social media. So now if you look at this, so why social media marketing? Okay, so initially in the previous session before Tableau, we have learned search engine marketing and search engine optimization. If you look at this search engine marketing and search engine optimization, particularly search engine optimization, it takes a lot of time. So you have to develop the algorithm, you have to create, build the trust in the Google algorithm. So it takes a lot of time to get result in the search engine optimization. Okay, so as a small company or initial new company, they can use this. What is social media marketing to create brand awareness compared to search engine optimization. Okay, so if you look at this, this is the generally this is called different generations. So if you look at this, mostly you born, I think when you born, your generation is Z, or my date of birth is in 1985, so I will come under the generation Y. Okay, so if you born this range, you come under particular thing. I think mostly you born which year after 1995? Huh? You come under generation X or Y?
Yes, sir.
Is that right?
Z, sir.
So if you look at this,
Generation Z, sir.
yeah. So I will come under this one. So if you look at these are the different groups. Okay, your father, uncle will come under either this one, or grandfather will come under this age. Okay, so if you look at, they conducted some survey, how much time they are spending in social media. Okay, so if you look at this, almost this you people. Okay, that is called the blue color. Blue color come under 1 minute. This one overall, it is red color. Okay, red color combined your generation, right? So if you look at this, so almost they're spending almost this much hours in social media. This also increasing. Okay, every year is increasing. 2009 almost you are spending 2.3 hours almost in the social media. Okay, so more people are spending in social media. I mean, there is a lot of scope for the attraction. Okay, not only for these people, what is generation Y. So millennials also, for example, my generation also is increasing. Okay, but if you look at the other generation X, baby boomers and all, almost they're maintaining same time, constantly they're maintaining the time. It's average. Okay, so if you look at this, more time they are spending on the social media. So that means there are a lot of scope for the digital advertisement, particularly social media advertisement. So if you look at this in India also compared to China, there are a lot of young populations are there. So compared to traditional advertisement, it is more attractive in the digital advertisement, particularly social media. Okay, so if you look at this data, these are the different social medias are available in the world. So if you look at this 2018, that's 2 years back, average login in Facebook was 9,73,000. If you look at this year, current year 2020 data is not there. Still December, after December it is available. So if you look at this data in the 2019, almost 1 million. If you look at the text message, number of people who viewed YouTube. So if you look at everywhere, it's increasing or decreasing. The data is increasing or decreasing. Most of the places.
Increasing, sir.
Increasing. So that means there are more scope for social media marketing. Okay, so if you look at everywhere, they are spending more time, and some trends are there. I'll come to the later. Okay, so Snapchat, all these things, some trends are there. Some of the people are moving from Facebook to some other. We'll discuss later. Okay, as of now, the overview. There are a lot of people are spending more time on social media, particularly you people. Okay, maybe your son or your relative small kids and they'll be spending more time. Okay, so if you look at this, they started spending more time on social media. More people are there in social media, mean more scope for digital advertisement, particularly social media marketing. Okay, so if you look at this, among the social media, which is the number one in the world, there are different social media, right? Which is the number one in the world? Any idea? YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, which one? They spend more active users in this. Which one? Active user means people are using the social media. Any idea? Among Facebook, among this, which one is the social media? I'm talking about, don't talk about Google, Facebook, what is this? YouTube, WhatsApp. Any idea which is the highest number in terms of accounts user? Not of account. Which one? Facebook, YouTube, or
YouTube, sir.
YouTube.
WhatsApp, sir. WhatsApp.
Yeah, in world active user in world, I'm talking about world. Mostly it's a Facebook. Okay, so Facebook social platform active user account. So almost 2.22 crore people. Okay, next one is YouTube. Then which one? WhatsApp. Okay, so if you look at this is our world. India, it's different. I will tell you that. Okay, so if you look at this, January 2020. So if you look at this is the overall trend. Okay, this was the latest data, but next year data we'll see. I don't know. As of now, up to this one, this is the situation. So if you look at this in social media advertisement audience, okay, if you look at the Facebook, 2.2 crore people are there. So mostly male, 57% male and 43% are female. Okay, if next one is next important social media, particularly this one is what is this? Instagram. Instagram also this much people are there, mostly equal of male and female. And this one, what is this? Twitter also 251
Twitter.
million. Male are more in Twitter compared to female. So if your product is related to male related, you can go with Twitter related. And also Snapchat, more female. So more females are there in Snapchat. If you want to advertise related to female dresses, anything, you can go with Snapchat. Okay, LinkedIn also more males are there. So these are the sort of statistics you can plan your social media marketing. But as I told you, Facebook is this company, they're not leading, and also Google also leading. But social media marketing would focus on Facebook. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing, you can go with the Google product. Okay, so if you look at the gender wise, mostly 45% of female are using which one? Social media, some form of social media. Majority used by the male. Okay, 55%. Okay, if you look at the South Asia, like India is a part of this. Mostly it's a male. Okay, less people are using which one? The female are using social media. So this is how the statistics are there. But India, if you look at it, maybe almost equal. We'll discuss. So if you look at these are some of the trend age-wise how the people are moving. If you look at the Snapchat, so people is increasing. Okay, increasing in particularly age group between 18 to 24. You people are okay. You people are most people are spending on Snapchat, but Facebook and all is coming down in terms of people who are using 18 to 24. The people may be moving from Facebook to Snapchat or some other, even for Instagram they are moving. Okay, so this is the trend. But if you look at the old age people or young people, but Facebook is trending, is increasing. Facebook is increasing for the people who are crossing what is 25 to this one. But your young people like you, okay, I think I don't know exactly, but you people are trying to move from the Facebook to Snapchat or Instagram. Okay, so based on this one, if you are targeting a product like mobile phone and something, not only Facebook you have to focus, so you have to focus on Snapchat or Instagram also. So we'll see to this class how to advertise in the Facebook. Then we'll see. I will just overview. Will tell you how to do it in the Snapchat and Instagram. Okay, so if you look at the Facebook, we are going to learn. If you look at the Facebook, this is the audience. So share of population in the Facebook. Okay, aged above 13, 32 percentage of people are above 13%, age group. Okay, so every year almost 1% increasing, adding the new customers. Okay, so female are 44%, and percentage of audience that Facebook report is male 56. Okay, mostly Facebook little bit dominated by the male compared to female. So these are the most used emojis in the Twitter. Okay, this is the most used. So these are the some of the data we can use it for when you're designing the social media marketing. So these are some other how they're using cat and dog to tag it in the Twitter. Okay, so we now will come to India. So far we discussed world data. Now we talk about India. So if you look at this number of active social media user in India is almost 400 million. Okay, at least they are using at least one form or any one social media they're active. At least they're coming daily. So social media compared to the total population is 28% of people are using some form of social media. Change every year. Every year there is a 28% increase in the mobile. Mostly they are using mobile only. Okay, so if you look at this, these are the social media advertisement profile. Okay, so if you look at this, mostly this age group they are using some advertisement. This age group they are we can attract age group between 18 to 24, particularly male we can attract compared to female. Okay. Then social media behavior. So visitor or user social media networking or messaging service in the past month. Okay, 94% of Indian customers are using active engagement or contributing to the social media in the past month. 86%. Active amount of time spent per day in social media. So this is of India data. If you want, you can write down somewhere. It will be useful in interview or somewhere. So average time they're spending in India is almost 2 hours. 2 hours 30 minutes, almost 24 minutes they're spending. So average number of social media account per internet user. So almost the average number of social media, I mean, as I told you, right? YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. Definitely WhatsApp will be there, Facebook will be there. So almost 10 apps are available, accounts will be there in India. Okay, the percentage of internet users who use social media for work purpose, 47%. So majority people are using for entertainment purpose. Some people are using for LinkedIn and all this for job purpose we are using. So this is the Indian related data. So if you look at India, most used social media platform is YouTube. Okay, but worldwide account active user Facebook, but India is a YouTube. Second one is the Facebook in India, and third one is WhatsApp. Okay, so I think surprise for me. I think WhatsApp everybody is using. Facebook also there is. Okay. So Facebook audience in India. Okay, India there are 260 million people are there, and 30 above 30 age 24% people. So a little bit coming down. Facebook I don't know. 3% are coming down. So the female 22%, most female I don't know. Last year data I don't know. Last year. So Instagram, this is the data. So 80 million people are there, and above age group 13 is 7.5, and Instagram reach every it's increasing. Instagram is increasing in India. Okay, and so majorities are male and female. So Snapchat also same thing. This much 22 million, and this is much population. It is also increasing in India. Snapchat, both equally they're male and female. Twitter also is coming down. Okay, the growth wise is coming down. LinkedIn is increasing. So mostly male are dominated in India, females are less, and 62 million people are there. So you please understand YouTube, Google, Facebook, and all main revenues are coming from there is advertisement. Okay, they are giving they are giving free, but they are getting more revenues from the advertisement. They're selling your data and promoting the product, so they'll get more revenues. But initially, Google revenues 95% is from advertisement, but slowly they're moving to the product company. cloud, mobile, driverless car, Google Glass, all these things. But Facebook will also, they have started some product, but initially now as of now they are more focusing on data, particularly advertisement related data. Okay. So this is all about, first we have discussed what is social media and some of the statistics we have discussed, importance of social media marketing. Now we are going to discuss on benefit and types of social media marketing. Okay. So benefits mean these are the some of the benefits. So it's improve the brand awareness. If you want to create brand awareness, a very cheap process and high conversion rate. So conversion mean there are two types of conversion: micro and macro. Micro mean just coming to the website and seeing the product. Macro mean whether purchasing or sign up your website. That is called macro conversion. So all these things are possible using this social media marketing. So it's improve the search engine ranking also. So a lot of people are coming from social media also, SEO or SEM, search engine optimization and search engine marketing also will improve. Okay, it's cost effective. We'll see how to use some small amount in Facebook, how to advertise the product. That also we discussed. So increase the top funnel in the traffic. Okay, so the marketing funnel also we can do it. So these are some of the advantages of social media marketing. So everybody know this, right? These are some of the social media, but we are going to learn this class focusing on Facebook. So other medias, or particularly YouTube and all, affiliated marketing is very famous. Sometimes if you look at this, there will be promoting some product, but below this YouTube, there will be some kind of link, will be the Amazon or Facebook link. If you purchase the Amazon or Facebook, they'll give some kind of commission to the particular video creator. Okay, that is the affiliated marketing, but we will see how to do it in Facebook basic marketing. Okay, how to promote the product. So these are the different social media. Okay, we are focusing on Facebook in this class. Okay, WhatsApp, all these things are there. So if you look at a lot of colleges already, everywhere they're using promotions. So first we'll focus on Facebook. Maybe next class we'll start with our combined tool. So one combined tool, in this we can do any kind of social media marketing. So this class will focus on only on Facebook. Next class we'll focus on one platform. There we can do all social media marketing. So Facebook is launched in 2004. If you look at this, how many years? Almost only 16 years. But the market value is just like that increase, compared to traditional business models. Okay, so it is a digital company. The main revenues are coming from the which one? Advertisement, but even some kind of issues are there. They're selling data to the politician also, but the main revenues are, as of now, openly they are bidding through digital advertisement. Okay, so if you look at the Facebook, these are some of the data. So mobile phone mostly they're using. Okay, so compared to other devices. So Facebook active users in India. So number of Facebook pages liked, okay, in lifetime, at least one by the female, and this one, at least one. Post likely in the past 30 days. This is the average 14. Mostly both equal, 14 even. Comment made in past 30 days in Facebook. Okay, at least 3. Facebook post share in the 30 days, at least one in India, male and female. Facebook advertisement click in past 30 days. So click in some advertisement or something. If you see some advertisement, at least click by average is 6 in India. So some engagement, something is going on in the Facebook. Okay. So average monthly change in the page like, so increasing. So most of the people have started liking some pages. Average post reach versus post page likes 9.6. Average organic reach and a page likes 7.2. Percentage of peers using paid media 34. The average paid reach versus total reach 28%. So these are some interesting statistics which there is some kind of values are there in Facebook advertisement. Okay, the average engagement rate for Facebook post or any kind is 3.7. The average engagement rate for Facebook page video post 6. Video post is very good. We are trying to create this class only basic advertisement. You can create a video advertisement also in Facebook. The average engagement rate for Facebook page images. Images was only 4, and the average engagement rate for Facebook page link. Some page also we can. I'll tell you how to create your Facebook account, how to create a page also we see. Okay, then how to promote that page we'll discuss. The average engagement rate for Facebook page status post. Okay, so majority is video. There are more engagements are there. So we'll see how whenever you go to company, whenever you do Facebook advertisement, try to create as a video that will have better than the other format of advertisement. Okay, so 88 mostly they are using mobile based, and lot of customers are there, and the senior citizen also lot of people have started joining. Okay, so retired people, so if you want to promote any product, you can use this Facebook advertisement. These are the statistics. Video content is very good. So industry is also, if you look at this, any big company, and they will not only having website, they definitely have some Facebook page. So if you look at any big company, even IIPM also they have Facebook page. Similarly, any big corporate also they have Facebook page, LinkedIn page, or any kind of social media. There also they promote it. Okay. So this is a Coca-Cola. So if you look at this is the Coca-Cola Facebook page, official page. So we'll see how to create Facebook page, create a page and promote in business account. Okay. So we'll see with so far we have discussed three part. One is what is social media marketing, what are the importance of social media marketing, and third we have discussed Facebook related data. Okay, then now we are going with the demo. Okay, so I'll shift to my Facebook account and how to promote your product. Okay, how to create account, how to create ad, and how to promote that ad, and then how to monitor that ad also we'll discuss. Okay, so in Facebook also they will follow the model of CPC and CPM. Okay, they will not follow, they will not take money unless these two concepts are implemented. Cost per click, anybody clicking your advertisement, then only they will take money from you. Okay, for example, if you are promoting an advertisement with 500 rupees or 100 rupees, somebody clicking that your advertisement only, Google will take some amount from your 500 rupees or whatever the investment. Okay, and cost per million, if it is at least 1,000 people should view your advertisement, then only they will charge some amount. Okay, based on the audience you are selecting, based on the region you are selecting, the cost will vary from some amount, but this is the average amount of in the world. Okay, but if we are going to do some advertisement based on your location, based on your audience, the average amount will be vary. But mainly they use two metrics. What is the two metrics? It will be cost per click, cost per million something. So if you look at this million, at least 10,000 impression. 1,000 impression means your ad should be shown at least 1,000 people. Okay, then only they will take some amount, and also anybody clicking, they will take some amount. Okay, so it is not somebody just creating advertisement, they will not take any amount. So the Facebook use these two metrics to take money from you. Okay, so this is the metrics. So if you look at anybody saw this advertisement, share or anywhere download some kind of this advertisement, you might have shared in your Facebook feed. If you see this, you might have seen some kind of advertisement. Okay, so we'll look at like, comment, share, and download, or you might have shipped an ad, what is it? Share, install, or some other option also will be there. So these are some of the examples of which one Facebook advertisement. Learn more. Okay, we'll see how to create. So this is called Facebook advertisement. So we are going to create in this classroom how to create this Facebook. Maybe we'll try with visit your website or something we'll create. Okay, so we'll try to create the images, this top text, down text under this button icon, and we'll try to create. Okay, please write down this process, this step. Okay, in examination, as I told you, each and every topic I'm taking, mainly I'm going with the process. Okay, process otherwise called steps. Okay, each step you have to take and you have to write it for the examination. In Facebook advertisement, this is the steps. Okay, first you have to create the business manager account. Okay, that is a separate account you have to create. Second step is you have to create the ad managers. Okay, so I will tell you. An ad manager, again, you can create an ad account. So multiple account you can create. Okay, each account you can do lot of advertisement. So you can create campaign. Campaign mean some advertisement. Just now we saw sites some campaign. This is called campaign. We are creating some campaign, and we are creating some audience. Okay, we are sometimes some advertisement we are not focusing on some customer, only people who are liking agriculture, only that people should see our advertisement. So and particularly in Bangalore, particularly this age group, so that is called ad set. Then finally a real advertisement. Okay, so this is steps we are going to follow in Facebook. First we'll create some business manager account, then we'll create some ad account, then ad manager, then we'll create ad account, then campaign, then ad set will group, then advertisement. Okay, so I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So you write down this step, then we'll go to the remaining step. So once you write down this step, you type it in chat window, then I'll proceed. Don't write the text, only write down these steps. No need of this text, only write down. So in examination, you have to write down this process. So once you write down, please type it in chat window. You completed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not two people are writing, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Too much here.
Completed, sir.
What to do? Okay. If you look at this, this is the structure we are going to follow. Business manager, ad account, multiple account you can create. Same account you can create multiple account. Each account we are going to run different campaign. Okay. So now I'm going to shift it to Facebook. So if you have Facebook account, just log in your Facebook account. We'll discuss. Okay. So if you go to your page first for creating a, I just shared my Facebook page. There, yeah. Okay. So first thing we need, anybody without Facebook accounts are there in the classroom? See, for creating a Facebook advertisement, you need basic Facebook account, individual account. Okay, I think mostly everybody will have Facebook account. Without anybody without Facebook account in the classroom, I think everybody have Facebook account, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing, you need Facebook account. After that, you have to go to business. What is this? Facebook business. Okay, just Facebook business manager. Facebook business manager. Okay, this is a different kind because you can use your account itself, create you can advertisement, but better, my suggestion is better create one more account in Facebook manager. Okay, so if you create it, any problem with individual account, always you can have data, everything will be there here. Okay, so sometimes it's easy to hack it the Facebook account. Better you create one account in Facebook manager. Already created, directly it is going for login. Okay, so you have to create it. Okay, I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You just create your Facebook business manager suite. Are you asking any kind of login, anything? So please go to Facebook. Are you able to see my Chrome browser? I've just shifted from PPT to Chrome. Are you able to see my Chrome here browser?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you get it. You have to create the which one? Facebook business account. Okay. So that is the second step. You have to do it. It's asking any kind of no. You have to create some. You have to give some your website name. All these things. Is it asking anything? You have to give your account name or anything. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You create the business account. Then next two processes we have to create some advertisement. So normally, if you look at your before that, there's a second step. So next step, if you go your personal account, you can if you go here, create. Say create page. Okay. So you need 3 things for before Facebook account. One is your personal base Facebook account. Second one is which one? Business suit account. Then third one, if you go here, there's a plus symbol. There you can create a page. So already you have which one? Your e-commerce website, right? So you can create a page with respect to that e-commerce page. So already every group has created some which one? E-commerce website. The similar website, you have to create some page, Facebook page. Okay. So what you can do is you can type your name of the page. Okay. I will type analytics education. So category you can type it. So it's come under education. So similarly you can type your name of the company and which this one is coming. Okay, which category is coming and description about what you are selling, all these things. Okay, so whenever you promote anything, you can use this page. So for example, if you're promoting some particular vegetable or any product in your e-commerce, you can use this page to promote. Okay, so you can type something and so on training program, something like this you can type. So yours will be different. Mostly you are selling products. Okay, so accordingly you can type it. And if you want, you can add some this background pages. Okay, there is some website called Canva Design. So this website will be useful for getting some sample images. Okay, you create some login. Using this customized image, you can create it. Some poster you try. So what I'm trying to do is the cover pages and then we can do it. So this is how it look in the desktop. This is how it looks in the mobile phone. So you can create it. Parallelly, you can open this some website. Okay. Some images will be free. So using this, you can add it. Okay, you can delete anything. So other things if you don't want, you can just delete. Just easily you can edit. So whatever you want is freely available. So whatever you full editable format. So just taking some sample, but if whatever you want, you can do it. You can download. something will be free, something you have to pay also. So whatever is free you can download. Go home. Let's see. Something you have to pay, some design you have to pay, some freely design also will be available. Free design. So Instagram poster for logo, okay. All these things will be available, but not all are free. Some designs you can try. So whatever the pro is there this year, free. Free mean you can download, you can do anything. Here whatever you get pro mean you have to pay some amount. Wherever you get free, you can download. So I just click the free one. I am not getting download from it. Free only, right? Sorry, some internet connection problem. Sorry. Connected with the mobile internet. Okay. So you can use this option, okay, to promote it, create your customized design. So once you do this, you can upload. I create now. You can add images. Okay. I didn't add any images. Leave it. Just create the page. So please understand. Normally your Facebook account. Second one you have to create a business account, and third one is any business you create your own page. Okay, page for your account. Okay. So now this is our page. Okay. So now what we are going to do now, we are going to promote it. Okay. You see my screen is visible. I should.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you can see here there are different options are there in left side once you create the any product. Okay. So we start with the first advertisement. Okay. First advertisement. So we can invite some friends also. So you go here. There is something called ad advertisement. Okay, normally these are the different types of advertisement or different groups of advertisement provided by the Facebook. Okay, first one is get more website for your visitor for your website, boost your post. Okay, for example, if promoting something. So if you look at our IAPM, that's 3 years and other people, they are maintaining the media set, right? If you want to promote some media posts, okay, you can use this. Get more messages, promote your page, okay, get more local business. So now we'll go with asking that you all people have e-commerce website, how to promote in Facebook. Okay, so you can create this option. Okay, goal is to get more people to your website. This is the goal. Okay, so now if you create it, you can give some description. Okay, the left side you can give the preview. So for example, I download some picture. So you can go to Google or Canva and download some picture related to your product. For example, selling rice or vegetable, accordingly you can download. For example, I'm doing some related to analytics. Okay, analytics related. Okay, just I'm downloading some images. If you want, you can put it in the Facebook images also. Facebook analytics and training or Facebook ads. Okay, based on this, it will give some better size and images. Something very variable. So you can decrease the size also. You can do some kind of ad settings, and you can do some whatever images you want. Accordingly, you try it, but you can use these canvas also or some other platform. You can use it for downloading some images. So here you can write whatever you are writing, it will come in the top here. Okay, so this page it will get it. So something you can type anything, description, hands-on training on but yours will be product. Okay, software. So whatever you are typing, it will come in here. Okay, we'll just wait a minute. So this is a preview. You will get it. So you can add some images also. So see here, there are different types of advertisement. Okay, choose video also you can put it, but I'll go with the images now. So I can Facebook itself is giving some some images, and Instagram also we can get it. I'll upload. Okay, I will not go with this one. I already downloaded some images. I just upload. Update it. Add a phone. See, whatever you type top, it is coming. Just to add some images. Let's say I'll go with Facebook image. That downloaded image is not permission. So you can see here some kind of images it has come. So whatever down you can put it. Best product, something like just randomly I'm typing. You can write whatever you want. You can write best product in the best offer. Okay, you can write some discount, 30% discount. Something you can write it to attract the audience. End of the day, somebody should attract this. So whatever doing it will change. So this is the advertisement that they will see. So here it is there in apply. For me, apply is right arrow. For you, we will change into different. You can do download, learn more. Okay, learn more. You can view some website. Okay, so you learn more when you can give your e-commerce website. For example, my website is www.ganeshkumar.org. Somebody clicking this more, learn more means they directly come from Facebook page to your website. Okay, or you can give some kind of exact URL. Somebody put product under, you can give exact URL. So whatever you're doing, this is the advertisement they are going to see in the Facebook. Okay, so it will be like this. This is the images. If you don't want to, you can change all these things. So whatever typing here, it will come in the below, and the top description. You can write some wordings also. You can write more words also. Better, what my suggestion is, you refer some not highly liked advertisement, shared advertisement by the top companies, and based on this you try to write the content. Based on this you try to design, because these people spend more time there. The professional people will be there to work on this one. For example, Big Basket Facebook advertisement or Flipkart Facebook advertisement. If you see a lot of shares and other things, take it as a sample format for you. Accordingly, you can modify your advertisement, but your website will be there, your everything, but you can get some idea about how they are positioned. Okay, so like this, you can do this process. Then you can go to the audience. This is very important. So this is how the Facebook advertisement compared to traditional advertisement. This is the key advantage in the social media marketing. We can do some customized. Traditionally, we can't do any. If you advertisement newspaper, anybody can see the advertisement, but here you can customize. So for example, if you look at, you can edit here. You can see only I don't want to show my advertisement for woman. Only I want male or men. Okay, and also age group between 23 to 20 to 30 age group. Okay, so like this you can plan. Okay, so 35. So this is possible in the Facebook advertisement. And location. So in location also entire India you can put it, or Bangalore. Bangalore also in particular location. Okay, so Bangalore, and also you mentioned some places also. You can do some kind of all these things. You can add Bangalore plus some other city also, you can add it. So this is how it's possible in Facebook advertisement. Main, I'll change it to some group. And target. Okay, somebody interested in analytics. So if you look at lot of pages will be there. Facebook know what is your interest in. Somebody showed. If you look at your Facebook left side, you can see what are your interest. Okay, you can click some interest. Okay, so based on this keyword, somebody interested in analytics, only that people only can see this advertisement. Analytics, data science. Okay, so you can add this what is this keywords. So those some people who are interested in this one only, they will see this advertisement. Okay, so as of now the potential reach is this much. Okay, so if you want, you can increase the age group, and both all people means here all people will become 2,90,000. Okay, if you increase the age group from this one, it will increase the reach. So this much people are potential people can see your advertisement. Okay, so based on the keyword, based on the location, so everything can do it here to save the audience. So this is the advantage of Facebook advertisement. For traditional advertisement, it is not possible. Customized marketing is not at all possible. Okay, so now run continuously or particular day. Okay, I don't want to run for every day, so I'll go with the 3 days advertisement. Okay, based on your some at least 4 days should be there. So when you want to start, okay, maybe I'll start with the next week. Based on your convenient, maybe you are giving some discount based on this. So estimated amount for this one is 74 rupees. Okay, this is the budget for 8 days and this reach. Okay, this advertisement. Okay, this much people will, but again it will take based on the CPC and how many people are seeing CPM something like that. Okay, so based on this they will check it. So if you want to put it in same advertisement in Instagram also, you can use it, or you can delete. If you don't want Instagram, sometimes the money will come down. Okay, same advertisement they will see in the Instagram also. So then you can payment method you have to add it. So you can add some payment method. So if you want, you can change. You have to add some credit, your debit card or something. So you have to add your card also. You have to add your card payment method. So you can promote to anybody. After that, you should come promote now. Then you'll get this. So after some time they'll review also your advertisement. Sometimes it will take some time to review your advertisement. Error from the permission is either the object you are trying to access is not visible to you, or action you are trying to take is restricted certain amount time. We'll see. Okay, some error is there in the advertisement. Let's see. So once you create this without this error, with the object whatever we have taken, let's see some other image I will choose. You don't have permission to update ad account. Okay. Are you getting any error? Are you able to create advertisement? Other people? Are you doing or what? Are you getting error or what? Are you able to do this advertisement? So total budget is almost 600 rupees. Let's change the date also. Let's see. But I should get that promote now, but I'm not able to get. Permission that either object you are trying to access is not visible to you, or action you are trying to take is restricted to a certain account. Okay. Let's see. So once you create the page, better click the page and create this one. Something I'll type it. Once you do your process, you have to get this. Let's see. Maybe internet speed is low or what, I don't know. You try to explore the same process. Just say there is an option will be in Facebook add advertisement. Based on the option, the promotion, you click this, it will ask for your image adding and website link, the button, everything you can view. You just type something, no problem. Okay, just for learning purpose, we are not going to promote finally. Just promote now should come. Permission is either object you are trying to access. Anybody trying now parallelly there? Raksha, what is the name? Arish, anybody trying now? Hello, are you there? Deepak, anybody?
Yes, sir. But we are not trying some.
We're not trying anything. Facebook advertisement.
We have seen. After the class, we try to do so.
Okay, okay. Okay, I don't know why you are getting this error because I didn't try for last sometimes for this one. Facebook. Initially I used to promote my MTP through this one. I used to pay some 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees for promotion, but I didn't use for last 6 to 7. That's why I'm not getting this permission. Let's see. I'll check it maybe today. This one you try to explore. Okay. So whenever you go to your Facebook page, first you create your page first, your whatever e-commerce website. Then you can promote your page. So this is the process. Once you get this, then you can use the promote option. Then you have to pay your some amount. You pay some 1,000 rupees or something. Then they will take some 1 hour, 2 hours to verify your advertisement whether is content is okay. Are you promoting anything negative or anything? If it is anything no not negative or anything wrong images, they will give some approval. Once approval is there, mean it will go to all the people. So based on your target here, what is the target audience? So only these people only will see. So this will, the advertisement will not be visible for other than Karnataka people, or age group less than 18 or more than 50 will not be available. So based on the interest related to this word only, people will get these images. So other people will not be visible. So this is how the Google will, the Facebook will advertise for your product. So if you look at this, they will not charge the amount based on the launching your advertisement, based on the CPC. Anybody clicking the advertisement only, they will take some amount. Okay, each click they will take advertisement, and also if it is crossing some 1,000 views. Okay, anybody saw the advertisement, but they're not clicking. At least they saw at least 10,000 people they are seeing your advertisement. Then they will take some amount. Okay, so everything based on your time and money. So if this advertisement is planning for 5 days, so only the 5 days it will be there. Within that this amount every day they will take this much amount, 74 rupees. The total will be 430 rupees. Okay, 5 days. If you want, you can extend the advertisement also. So and apart from this, you can see some kind of statistics also. So how many people saw, how many, what are the data, everything will be there. There is something called insight. Okay, that is called analytics. Insight will get it. Wait. So if you go to the page, there is something called insight. Something will be there. Created doing. Something called ad manager. This you get all the insights. So once you promote this advertisement, you will get the ad manager. So here you will get all the data statistics related to your advertisement insights. Internet speed is low. Okay. So here we will get all the data, okay, related to how much people reached, what is the impression, okay, cost per click, okay, once you launch the advertisement. So then normally this is called insights about your advertisement. So now the data is not available. So once you after 5 days or each day you can check how much spent for each day, what is the impression, how many people saw, how many people see result, how many people click this. your images. So all the data will be available. You can do some settings also. So that will be available in Ad Manager. So normally they call it the Insights. So that's the data analytics of Facebook. But a lot of issues are there in Facebook. They are sending the data, but initially it was good. So you can change. This is the account I created. So once you give the payment, you automatically one unique number will be, that is the account. So anyway, some problem is there with respect to activating and promoting the product. I'll check it in the next class. So maybe next week we'll see. I'll rectify the error. So today what we have learned is this 4 topic. So first we'll learn what is social media marketing, then why we are using some statistics, then benefits, and we have taken demo of advertisement. So if you look at this best thing, Facebook advertisement within less amount, within 400 rupees, 500 rupees also you can promote your e-commerce website. If you go to some traditional newspaper advertisement, even we advertise for FTP, almost they charged almost 8,000 for one day. It went to some 10th page in the newspaper, business line newspaper with a small space. Okay, I don't know how many people saw this advertisement. We don't know, because of the mandatory for AICT. We have done that advertisement. Same thing, we do it in the Facebook. We can reach more people also with less cost. Even if we spend 1,000 rupees, we can reach more people. So compared to traditional advertisement, this advertisement will have lesser budget and more reach, and we can do customized marketing also. So this is the advantage. You can try to explore. You can go to a Facebook page and try to create a business account, and also create Facebook page. Then try to do this advertisement. So whatever I done, then add images, title, website, and change the button. Accordingly, you can add some amount. So try to promote your e-commerce website using the Facebook advertisement. So maybe you can start with more traffic. Then you can slowly for creating macro and micro conversion. So now you can get more traffic. So in the Facebook itself, they are giving one option called get more web traffic for your website. So you try to create for your group. We'll see. So you can go to your Google Classroom and there will be one quiz will be there. You try to answer this one. So there before 1 o'clock you try to answer. So next class we'll try to. Now next class will be guest lecture, and next week we'll start with the same. I'll try to rectify that error. Then we'll see some more tool. Okay, there's one tool called Sprout Social Media. So in this platform, you can connect all the social media. So either you can go for directly to Facebook, but big company like Amazon or some other big basket, they will not go individual account. They try to use this platform. This platform connect all the social media, not only Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or all the social media you can connect. So we'll try to learn next class, how to apply this Sprout or some other, integrated social media marketing platform. So whatever we have done, with no need of this one. So initial small company can go with the Facebook advertisement. So this will be very cheap, but big company they'll go with the integrated social media platform. Okay, I'll stop here. You try to answer in the this MCQ. Well, next class I'll continue with a little bit on the social media marketing, and also this put the integrated social media marketing, and also we'll see what is the different metrics used in the social media marketing and different tools, integrated tools. And also a little bit I'll focus on how to promote in LinkedIn and other social media also. You got some idea, right? Some idea?
Yes, sir.
We'll see. I think most of the people are sitting at class. I don't know. Are able to listen my?
No, sir, we are listening.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we are listening, sir.
Okay. I'm just speaking and nobody responding. I don't know whether, but there or not. I don't know. Anyway, let's see. Huh?
They are there, sir.
Okay. Fine. I'll share the recorded video. Slowly go through. Next class, I'll continue with a little bit on Facebook. Then we'll go to integrate social media marketing. So Saturday, please come on what is this guest lecture. So normally guest lecture, who will introduce a guest and all? What is the practice? I want to give to somebody. Class rep will introduce, or I have to give to any.